heart of Gilgalgo. Ug tara, atong suruyon ang yutang hikugma, Barangay Duangan. Welcome to Barangay Duangan, a small yet vibrant community nestled in the heart of Esperanza, Agusan del Sur. In the heart of Agusan del Sur, where the river gently flows and the trees whisper stories of old, lies a hidden gem, Barangay Duangan. Here, nature and culture are not separated things. They are one. They breathe together. People of Duangan rise with the sun, just as their ancestors did. They farm the land not to conquer it, but to live with it in rhythm, in harmony. The rice fields shaped by generations of hard work, the clean rivers where children play and fishermen cast their nets, the dense forest home to wild birds and trees older than memory. These are not just landscapes, they are sacred, they are life. Every year, Duan gives thanks to the land, to the rain, to the blessing of nature. Without nature, there is no culture. Under the shade of ancient trees, elders pass down not just stories, but wisdom. Respect the land, they say, for it feeds you, shelters you, and remembers you. In Duangan, bayanihan, the spirit of helping each other is a way of life. Whether it's rebuilding a home or sharing a harvest, people show up. That's the real power of tradition. It brings people together. In Duangan, life is simple, but it is rich with meaning. Here, tradition is not just part of history, it's alive. It's in the way they farm. Duangan, where culture is carved by tradition and tradition grows from the soil of nature. Barangay Duangan, where the past guides the present and the people shape the future.